God is also the greatest mystery. We believe that He's all-powerful and capable of doing anything, and yet there is suffering in the world. On the other hand, there's an inherent goodness in mankind which seems to echo God's goodness. We look up to Him in gratefulness and shake our fist at Him in anger. He fills the world, and yet the world is not His place. The mystery of God and the mystery of pain.
I have always known of you, heard whispers and corners about you, heard of your existence. I saw the ruins you left behind as the tears of those whose homes you've invaded coded your footprints. A guest that is forever unwelcomed, a thief that can steal even in broad daylight. An unstoppable beast feasting on questions. Why him? Why so soon? You quench your thirst with our denial, savoring every moment of our uncontrollable anger. You find it hilarious that we constantly try as we fail to defy, as we deny reality by bargaining. Find delight in our depression. And as soon as we accept, you strike again, you take again, you visit again. Only with me you decided to stay, to dine with me, to lie on my bed, to converse with me. Am I a joke to you? What do you want from me? There is nothing more to take, no loved one to rip from my cold shivering hands, for there is no warmth in my solitude. I've become a cold library filled with burned books. I'm a fountain that's
ufuna ngithini kuwe? Ufuna ngithini? Ufuna ngincome. Ufuna ngincome ukuthatha umntwana wami. Ufuna ngincome ngithi uNkulunkulu uphile, uNkulunkulu uthathile. Ufuna ngincome uNkulunkulu uphile, uNkulunkulu uthathile. Ngithini? Ngithi ubona imbali enhle emhlabeni. Wayithatha wayisondeza uduze kwakho. Ngoba ngibona ngayifanele lo mbali. Ubona ngayifanele lo mbali mina. Mina ngayifanele. Ufuna ngincome, ufuna kwenzakaleni. Ufuna ngithi uNkulunkulu ubona ingilozi emhlabeni, wabona umhlaba lengilozi okuyifanele, wasebona ukuthi akayithathe lengilozi azoyilondoloza izohlobisa umhlaba nezulu. Lengilozi ingafanele. Ufuna ngenzeni? Ngithini manje mina ku? Ngithini? Ngincome. Kuzwela nini ukuthi manje kuzwa zonke into ozenzayo, kuzwa zonke into ozohloko ucabangela mina ukuthi yonke lento eyenzakala emhlabeni yangilimaza ibuhlungu. Ubuhlungu. Hayo ngikhumbula ufuna ngayo inkondlo. Ufuna ngayo inkondlo ngithi ufuyini ziningi izinto zakhe ezikhulunywayo lapha emhlabeni. Kuziningi izinto ezikhulunywa kuthiwa kufa ukuthatha amaqhawe, kuthiwa manje kuthiwa ukuthatha ingane, kuthatha ifumo ukudla esilazi. Kuthatha ingane pho ufuna ngithini? Ufuna ngincome. Ufuna ngiqhubeke ngithembe kanjani? Ufuna ngithembe kanjani thatha izibulo lami, thatha umntwana wami. Fuck buhlungu lento yenzile buhlungu.
Ungangena uhlale phansi dadewethu, nasi isitori.
Njalo ngovuma ke njalo ngovuma ke iphinde ngithi nje isondeza simase Nkosi masete isondeza
Tola na na tola, tola na na tola, tola, tola na na tola, tola na na tola, tola na na tola. Tola na na tola, tola na na tola, na thula. Thula na na thula.